how to set up your traveller profile on Working Traveller. Go to the website, click on sign up. I'm going to be Joe Blogs the Blogger today. Email address. Make sure obviously we can contact you, because this is the first point of contact that you will get for when hosts request you to work with them. Click on Traveller. Joe Blogs. Either have your name or what you do. Password. The terms and conditions basically tell you that it's down to you to make sure that you're legally able to go to the countries you're going to be working in and that you can work there. It's not down to the host. It's not down to Working Traveller. You're an adult. You are responsible for making sure you're legally able to be in the countries that you're travelling to. So click them and sign up. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is just click on anything, because you can't do anything until you've verified your email. Email comes in, says welcome to Working Traveller. Click to finalise your registration. You're ready to go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go off and find work and talk to hosts. You cannot contact hosts until you've filled in all your details. Why? Because hosts don't want to speak to you or hear from you until you've done this. A host is a busy person. They do not want an email from somebody saying, can I come and stay with you? That's what you do at a hotel. Hosts on Working Travel are looking for specific skills, and so they want to see when you contact them that you have all the skills that they need. It's going to take you 10-15 minutes to fill in your profile. This is going to make the difference to you getting work booked up around the world for years. I suggest we do it. And this is how we do it. So, add a picture of yourself. This is not a dating website. We just need to see what you look like. If you've got a nice picture of you doing some work, you can add that later on the cover image. So, add a picture of yourself. Languages. What languages can you speak? Think about it. If you speak 5 languages and you want to be a waiter or waitress, that's a huge advantage. Hosts want to see what languages you can speak, because especially in the tourist business, or if they only speak Spanish and they want to be able to speak to you. Put the level of the language you can speak. Choose your skills. As I say, Working Traveller is very different to other sites. Hosts are more interested in you on what you can do for them. They want to know what your skills are, so you need to add them. I'm a photographer by trade, so you can either search by typing in your skill here and adding it, or you can browse through the categories and see what we have listed. So I find photography here. I do portrait photography. I've called myself Joe the Blogger, so I guess I should add blogging as a skill. Once you've added all your skills in, take the time, think about it, babysitting, playing the guitar, whatever it is that you can do, add your skills and press save. You need to let hosts know where you're going to be in the world and when. Why? If a host is just looking for someone to help out, clean the toilet, whatever, they can take someone the day before. I'm going to say that I'm going to Thailand. Say there's a hotel in Thailand that needs a chef to do all their barbecuing in the season. They're not going to think about that the day before they open up. They're going to advertise months in advance and want this booked up months in advance. So you need to let hosts know months in advance where you're going to be. Travel status, let them know you're available to work or not. So I'm saying I'm available for work all of August. I know a lot of people will be watching this thinking, but I don't know where I'm going to go. That's fine. But if you want to get good work booked up with good references, make this your priority. You can always change your plans, But yeah, I just strongly suggest that you make a plan and stick to it. So click next. Because we check your availability when you've already added something, you have to click this twice. Add in everywhere you know where you're going to be. If you just know you're going to Asia and you're not sure which country, you can still add, I will be in Asia. But what hosts want to see is they want to talk to people about doing work that people are already have planned to come to their country. That's it. The last thing you need to do is complete your profile. Take your time in this. So I'm going to be Joe, the blogger. Yeah, how long did you spend in your degree going to school? Spend half an hour, spend an hour, spend as long as it takes to make yourself look really good and saleable to hosts. Put your real birth date. On your profile, we show how old you are. We don't put your actual birthday. Your skills. It's 500 characters, not 500 words. Sell yourself. Be positive. Don't lie. If you haven't got experience in the skills that you want to get involved in, just say, I'm really passionate about, I want to become, I will do anything to work in this skill. Hosts will see that and appreciate that, and will be happy for you to come and work for them. Most people have a resume or a CV with all the work that you've already done. This is not what you want to do. This is what you have already achieved. This gives hosts a good idea of the level of your skills, the level of your ability. Most people produce it and have it in a Word document. I've just taken a random example off the internet here. So you can just copy your Word doc, copy and paste. The formatting might not be correct. If you click here, there's a lot of formatting there. You can clean it all up. It's up to you. Just make sure that your CV looks good. It gives all the details of where you worked and that shows a host, yeah, this person is organized, is a hard worker, and I'd like them to come and work for me. Last but not least, show your hobbies and a bit about you. The site is all about work, but a lot of hosts, you'll be having dinner with them, you'll be socializing with them, so they want to see that you're human and probably an interesting person to hang out with. So that's it. You've done everything. You can now contact hosts to find work, but we strongly suggest before you do that is change your cover image, because your profile currently looks like this. There's a big hole. So click change your cover image. Choose an image, ideally you at work. If you look at the pictures here of me, these won't work because my head is at the top. So choose a picture, ideally if you're doing some work, with your head in the middle. Update cover picture. Boom. Every time you contact a host now, they will see the pictures of you, they will see your skills, they will see your elevator pitch about you and why you should work for them, what languages, all the work you've done in the past, and when you're going to be in their country. This is a lot of information. You can now contact hundreds of hosts if you have full membership. If you use the free membership, you can contact 3 hosts a week. Good luck.